My period in Barcelona is done, so never come back like a first manager from Barcelona, never again. So it's done. I said many times, team score 124 goals. Is because they are able to score for many different ways. So the best way, scoring goals. Scoring goals. So take the ball and attack as much as possible. It's the only way I know to beat this kind of team. So that's why if when one team scores 124 goals, you are thinking about just defending 90 minutes because we won once 5-3, you kill yourself.